So we are gonna make a poster from Poppy Playtime. So first, select a sprite. I select my own one. Let's see if there's any sprite to upload. Why is it taking a time? Okay. Now, let me think. Maybe I'll gonna choose Poco. So now we have to wait. Book is like this. Maybe I'll gonna add sprite then. First I'll think of a sprite. Maybe I'm gonna choose something like a dog. Yes. The dog is big. That I wanna make it like this small. Now we need the button. Here's the button. I would like the button to be in red color. Okay. Maybe I can do it in 3, 2, 1, and look, our button. Okay, so first, maybe this is perfect. So bye-bye, you both. First, outlined. It's gonna be black. Wait. Maybe I'm gonna do my own one. Wait, what am I doing? I'm doing something to the size. 50. Okay. So first let's clean this. What do I do? I got an idea. Wait. What? Maybe I should do something like white. Okay. Maybe this is gonna take forever, I think. No. Okay. Now let's do it again. First, let's shrink the size, maybe a bit bigger, maybe done. Now we have to do like this. Now we have to add something like this. Okay, so now let's take the button here, and when the green flag clicked, we need something that you speed. I wanna set something to Tina. Okay, so hi, I am Brock, even though his name's only Bruno. Hi, I'm Bruno Brock. My pet version is Gucci. I'm the whitest dog in the world. Now let's give it a try.
Hi, I'm Bruno Prog. My pet version is Huggy. I'm the whitest dog in the world.
Maybe I should change the voice. What about this?
Hi, I'm Bruno Prog. My pet version is Huggy. I'm the whitest dog in the world.
Alto?
Hi, I'm Bruno Prog. My pet version is Huggy. I'm the whitest dog in the world.
Whatever. And thanks for watching this video. See you later.